Military professionals, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts rely on tactical equipment, ranging from sophisticated communication systems to high-tech protective equipment. With countless choices available in today's market, selecting the perfect gear for your specific needs can become overwhelming. That's why we've compiled this comprehensive guide showcasing the 10 most impressive tactical military equipment and innovative gadgets currently available. Let's dive in. Whether you're firing rounds at the gun range or mitigating a wildfire, a respirator is a must-have, and that's where OpsCore SOTR comes in. It's a lightweight respirator that protects you from all kinds of harmful fumes and air particles. The best part about this respirator is that the inline filter sits in the middle, giving it a more ergonomic design than other Pro masks. Also, the feature has an efficiency rating of 99.97%, so you're safe from most airborne particles. Despite its effective filtration system, breathing through the mask is uninterrupted. Besides these features, it has a built-in microphone, which means that you need to carry one less device for communication. Also, many accessories are available to customize the mask to your liking. Bring out the warrior in you with the Tacticon Armament Battle Vest V2. This tactical vest has all the versatility you can ask for. The Battle Vest V2 comes with built-in mag pouches, allowing you to carry 3 magazines at a time. Having extra mags closest to use is essential when you're in an active mission or on duty. When it comes to protection, you can use any ballistic plate you want as long as it fits the vest. It's great to have the feature to choose, as it can vary from mission to mission. As for versatility, the vest can carry over 100 pounds, including all your loadout. It uses 500D PVC nylon maul/PAL system and 3D mesh liner to keep the vest lightweight and breathable. Protect your hearing and maintain solid communications with the OpsMan Earmore M32X Mark III. This tactical headset has advanced features that make it perfect for every tricky situation. The M32X Mark III comes with a replaceable bracket so that you can fit it into a helmet of your liking. On top of that, it comes in a modular design and rotatable structure, so you can rotate the headsets any way you want. In terms of protection, these tactical headsets have a noise reduction rating of NRR 22 and could suppress noise above 82 decibels, which users can modify with 5 adjustable sound modes for various environments. As for the microphone, it's highly flexible with this adjustable angle design. Besides that, the wire is made from Nexus TP 120 Kevlar, which you can use with the Earmor M51 or M52 PTT for functional communication. Romeo 2 is a game changer for any shooter looking to take their accuracy to the next level. This modular handgun red dot sight provides superior light transmittance and zero distortion, making it perfect for fast-paced tactical scenarios. The Romeo 2 has a molded aspheric lens made from glass with high-performance coatings. On top of that, there are 15 brightness settings to ensure quick target acquisition. The housing of this red dot sight is made from 7075 aluminum and provides additional protection with rugged die-cast steel shrouds. And yeah, it's got a 1 MOA red dot, which is visible in any condition. As for battery life, this Romeo 2 is rated for a whopping 25,000 hours. Also, the battery door is spring-loaded, making it quicker to change batteries without any tools. The Avon Protection MYTEK S is a state-of-the-art thermal imaging camera to use in tactical and military situations. This device provides a clear, real-time view of surroundings in low light or complete darkness, making it ideal for surveillance, search and rescue, and other critical missions. The best feature of this MYTEK S is that it comes in a small, lightweight form factor but could do wonders in thermal image processing. In addition, it's NFPA certified, meaning this was made with firefighters in mind. The MYTEK S comes with a fantastic sensor, high dynamic range, and comprises up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit thermal images. That means no matter how bright the fire burns, you'll get a crystal clear image of it. When you pair that with this large screen, it becomes obvious why any tactical operators and first responders would use this tactical gadget. Unleash the power of your fists with a Viktos Wartorrn gloves. These tactical gloves blend protection, comfort, and functionality. Whether you're on duty or need a reliable pair of gloves for your most challenging tasks, the Wartorrn gloves are designed to help you tackle the most difficult situations. With combative leather to reinforce the thumb valleys, this glove is ready to handle the checkering of polymer handguns. On top of that, the reinforced foresheds on the trigger and middle fingers means there are no more premature gusset failures. Besides that, the silicone printing on the fingertips gives you increased grip regardless of the weather. Not only that, but thanks to these silicone fingertips, you can use your touchscreen devices without taking off the gloves. Lastly, the Wartorrn also comes with full-size polymer knuckles, helping protect your backhand. Fixed blades are surely handy in a tactical situation. No question about that. So here's the Medford Knives USMC Raider, the only fixed blade knife you'll ever need. The USMC Raider comes in a more manageable size, but retains that aggressive look and sharp blade. But what makes this knife one of the best ones out there? First, the support column in the blade means you can abuse this knife all you want. Whether prying or cutting, it won't let you down. The hollow grind with the reinforced tip means this beast is ready to slash, stab, and pry anything and everything. So if you're looking for a tactical knife to last you a lifetime, the Medford USMC Raider knife is your best pick. Introducing the Rothco Tactical Eyewear Kit, designed for professionals and law enforcement personnel who need proper ballistic eye protection. Rothco accounted for everything when making the tactical eyewear kit. You get a pair of polycarbonate inserts for prescription lenses. Protecting your prescription lenses are a pair of 2mm shatterproof polycarbonate smoke lenses. These lenses are rated for UV 400 protection, so whether you're on duty or exploring in the great outdoors, the sun won't interfere with your vision. Besides that, the tactical eyewear kit comes with a cleaning pouch and soft carry case. That way you don't have to worry about cleaning them every time you put these on, and a soft carry case ensures better protection. All in all, the Rothco Tactical Eyewear Kit will be a great addition to your tactical gadget loadout. When it comes to hands-free lighting solutions, the ScienceKey HS6 is the ultimate tactical headlamp for professionals. It's a feature-rich tactical gadget perfect for nocturnal operations. This high-performance headlamp comes with 3 light outlets, with the main LED shining as bright as 1,400 lumens. That brightness level makes it the perfect companion for long-range searches and adventures. The other LED shines a warm white floodlight and red light, making this perfect for stealthier operations. You get 2 separate buttons for easy access and fast changing. The headlamp is equipped with Type-C fast charging, meaning you don't have to carry separate adapters to charge it. And yeah, you can fully charge it in only 3 hours. Tactical loadouts are incomplete without a tactical backpack, and that's where the Maxpedition Tiburon 34 comes in. This 34-liter bag can fit all your tactical gear without any issue, as its main compartment is quite spacious. Despite its smaller size, the bag comes with chest and waist straps. Also, the chest straps are shaped to fit users with a larger chest and still be comfortable. The waist strap or belt has padding too, increasing overall comfort. There are enough compartments inside to safely store smaller gears. Addition of the maul panels ensure its practicality during numerous tactical operations. Overall, for active duties or outdoor excursions, Maxpedition Tiburon 34 is a fantastic tactical bag. So that was our list of the 10 coolest tactical military gears and gadgets.